Welcome to Span Songs, Prayers, Art, and Nature YTC. Please subscribe. Thank you. It was a rainy last day of the year, December 31, 2020, reminding us of the two typhoons in November 2020. First was on November 1, the signal number 5, Super Typhoon Wally that battered Bicol region, including our hometown at Iriga City, Camarines Sur, for more than 4 hours. It sounded like an angry cat with its destructive strong winds and heavy rain slashing through the houses and trees. Then 10 days later, the second Typhoon Ulysses at the signal number 3 hit the region while our fellow Bicolanos and us were still trying to recover from Super Typhoon Wally. It was a devastating experience, especially those affected as their houses were flooded, roofs were blown away, surrounding trees were uprooted and many more. However, we still thank God with His grace and mercy for letting us survive in those storms, as we have to always stay in the state of gratitude, for even in the darkest moments there's always something to be thankful for. With those tempests, we were reminded that no matter what storm or personal battle we face, that the more we have to be connected to God through prayers and ask Him to calm the storms that we face. We just can't comprehend His mysterious ways, for God's plan is to strengthen and prosper us, not to weaken us. So it's needless to worry, because there is a supreme and an ever reliable God that is stronger than our problems and storms that we face, for He is our source of strength when we are weak, our strong arm.
Lately I know you've been through quite a storm, but child, I've been there since the day you were born. And as sure as my word, I'll stand here right by your side. And if you're just too weak to go on, remember, child, I'm your strong arm.
God is not only our strong arm, but He is also our refuge.
God is my refuge, my trust and my deliverer, a help close at hand in times of distress.
Indeed, help to affected areas in the region came from God through other people who prayed and shared their time and treasures about helping. Dr. Loretta Scott said, "We can help everyone, but everyone can help someone. Since we cannot help everyone, our major sponsors in this relief operation chose to lend a hand first to some families who were affected by the typhoons or indigents at 4 barangays in Iriga City, Camarines Sur. In order to help more families, this activity was offered to other concerned sponsors like what Helen Keller said, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." With the additional sponsors, 2 barangays were added to the recipients of this activity. Therefore, a total of 180 families from 6 barangays in Iriga City benefited from this upland sagi. We posted this video not to brag, but to hopefully inspire or encourage those watching this to continue or start helping others when there is an opportunity. As the Bible says, do not neglect to do good and to share what you have, for such sacrifices are pleasing to God. From the book of Hebrews chapter 13 verse 16. It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving, by Mother Teresa. Think of giving not as a duty but as a privilege, by John D. Rockefeller Jr. No one is useless in this world who lightens the burdens of another, by Charles Dickens. So still in the state of gratitude, this YouTube channel spans songs, prayers, art, and nature. We'd like to thank God first for making our goal to be help a reality, and those who extended their help in terms of their prayers, time, cash, and goods are greatly appreciated. In the next pictures, there is no political agenda in mentioning the names of the sponsors and other individuals who help. It is only for the purpose of acknowledging their assistance in making this relief operation a success. So thank you, sponsors. From the CFC Family Ministries at Alhasa, SFC hold and sold, especially Tita Madel Ballesteros, Tita Lani Escamillas, Tita Wenda Rivera, Tito Marian Obias, Tito Randy Toriano, Tita Malu Rivera, Tita Dom Daniel, Tita Dang Somer Guido, Tita Judy Fernandez, Tita Jackie Reville, Tita Evelyn Juliano, and Tita Naver Tudazod, Sis Angie Brice Nakasui, and family of the late Sordon and Natalia Cortero, especially Tita Christine Cortero Tangio, and Tito Robert Balig on Tangio. Family of the late Edmondo and Eugenia Toriano, especially Tito Randy de la Rama Toriano, Tita Belen Toriano Regalado, and Tito Ferds Lagatic Regalado, Tito Ninoy de la Rama Toriano, and Tita Mona Pacer Toriano, Tita Belen de la Rama Toriano, and Tito Wild M.A. Saba, Tita Rosie Toriano Viñas, and Tito Oboy Sadang Viñas. Tito Randy was also the one who suggested the name of this relief operation after Typhoon Rolly and Ulysses often sagit sa klolo sa gitna ng peligro. City Councilor Jem Amoroso Grimaldo, Alpha Caparo Acro, City of Iriga Skeptron Council, CISC Mother Chapter, Broad Jerry Jude Miles Campilios, Sis Vanilli Rubia Tubig, Broad April Arroyo, Brad Adrian Nacario, Brad Paulo De Castro, GS Mother Chapter, CISC, Broad Marvin Molieda, Chairman, CISC, Broad Armil Nacario Ong, Founder, CISC, and all CISC members. A big thank you to this group who initiated the gathering of names for the beneficiaries of relief items, coordinating the relief operation with relevant barangay officials, and distributing relief goods. Such actions were a lot of work. Thank you for lightening our burdens. And last is Pinuto City, San Miguel, Iriga City. Other individuals who helped, thank you Barangay Kagawad Jinky Karumba for the effort and prompt actions to this Oplan Sagip at Barangay San Miguel. Also thank you Barangay captains or officials of La Purisima, Francia, San Francisco, San Isidro, San Jose, and San Miguel for the support and allowing us this Oplan Sagip at your respective barangay. In case we forgot to include other names, those who assisted, please accept our apology. Next are the pictures or videos before, during, and after the relief operation. This is a late upload, but it is better late than never. They are the purchaser of goods team. The repacking team for the first batch, second batch, and last batch. Next are the delivery of relief goods to the recipients. 11 days after the last typhoon, banana trees were growing. Also, it was timely to have a sunny day on the first day of relief goods distribution. It was a symbolic sunny day showing the sign of new hope. Hope is holding on, praying expectantly, and it is seeing light in spite of being surrounded by darkness. Indeed, the sun always shines after the storms. From brainyquotes.com. We need the storms, the overcast days to help us appreciate the sunny days. If it was a sunny day every day, then we should start taking it for granted. By Catherine Pulsifer. Upland Sagip at Barangay La Purisana, Sunday morning, November 22. Upland Sagip at Barangay San Francisco, Sunday morning, November 22. Upland Sagip at Barangay Francia, Sunday afternoon, November 22. Oplan Sagiwat, Barangay San Isidro, Sunday afternoon, November 29. Oplan Sagiwat, Barangay San Jose, Sunday afternoon, November 29. Oplan Sagiwat, Barangay San Miguel, Friday afternoon, December 11. It was a beautiful sunset on the first and last day of Oplan Sagip, ending the activity beautifully. As Kristen Butler said, sunsets are proof that no matter what happens, every day can end beautifully. With every sunset, a new hope is born and an old expectation dies, by Noor Onahar. Every sunset is an opportunity to reset, by Richie Norton. Sunsets are so beautiful that they almost seem as if we were looking through the gates of Eden, by John Lubbock. When I admire the wonder of a sunset or the beauty of the moon, my soul expands in worship of the Creator, by Mahatma Gandhi. Every sunset is a journey to remember the memories of the past, by Mehmet Murat Ildan. May this, after Typhoon Willie and Ulysses, Oplan Saga be remembered in the memories of the past. And think of what St. John Paul II said, no one has so much that he has nothing to receive, and no one has so little that he has nothing to give. At the end of the day, it's not about what you have or even what you accomplish. It's about who you've lifted up, who you've made better. It's about what you've given back, by Denzel Washington. And no one has ever become poor by giving, by Anne Frank. So whatever happens in the succeeding days, months or years, may we all continue to pray for each other to surpass all storms or battles that we will face to help those in need when there is an opportunity, and to give praise and thanks to God the Most High, our Creator. To God be the glory. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. God bless you.